SMCI stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying the question? And I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1 minute video. As the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And then ultimately, yes, I'm just looking at SMCI. I'm looking to double down and buy more. Look, if I come out here, I just have so many receipts with SMCI in the Discord. Like the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos either, right? So I can even show you this link video proof when I was actually looking for this to deliver lower and I cut out the bearish prediction like to the dot there. Keep in mind this is in October, and all I'm here to tell you is that only if I see some sort of a double break, only then I'm still going to look to double down and buy. But randomly getting involved is not going to be happening. So that's why I have my finger on the trigger and not just pulling it for no reason. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.